Hello, guys. Welcome to my masterclass today. And this is Booker's masterclass. In today's particular tutorial video, we are going to discuss about FVG and imbalance. How to take entry using FVG and imbalance. So, I will be waiting for more people to join us. So, while I wait for some people to join in the video, kindly invite your friends if you are watching me from anywhere. Kindly use the link and invite your friends. And please do well and share this video. Please share this video from wherever you are watching from. If you are watching from Facebook, please share the video. It doesn't take you time to share video. It only takes your hand and your phone. So all you need to do is just click on the share button and boom, you have shared the video. Share on your profile or share in the groups. Today is Sunday and happy Sunday to everyone from wherever you are watching me from. We are going to learn something today in trading, crypto trading to be precise. So, if you are a lover of crypto and if you want to make money in trading crypto, this particular section is for you. This particular time is for you. So, wherever you are, crypto trading has been something that is beneficial to many. For some of you that doesn't know, crypto trading helps life. When you have the skills, technical analysis skills, you can make money from the comfort of your room. You can have your own freedom. You can decide when to make money and when to lose money. So it's all about choice and it's all about your determination in this field. But one thing I can tell you is that crypto trading is one skill that is essential and it makes you stand out from others. When you have the skills, this particular skills is one thing that makes you stand out from others, and it is one thing that gives you financial freedom. You don't have to wait for someone else to you don't have to depend on anybody. You determine when you want to take your leave, when you want to take your rest. So pay attention to this particular field, this particular skill, and learn it. Learn technical analysis. And that's what we are going to do in this video. So in this video, I will be teaching you FVG, which is fair value gaps and imbalance in technical analysis. How to use FVG to take a good entry. So that is what we are going to learn today. And I am fully prepared and fully ready to dish out what I know. I only give out what I know. Okay. So if I give you what I know and you think what I gives you is not good enough, please do well and make more research so that you can learn more. Okay, so that you can learn more. So please, all you have to do for me, just do me a favor, click on the share button from where which particular platform you are watching from. If you are watching from Facebook, kindly click on the share button and share this video. You have many group in your contacts, kindly share with them. Let them come and learn technical analysis. That's what we are going to learn in this video. Okay, FVG and imbalance, how to trade them in cryptocurrency and forex. Both in forex and in crypto, you can use same technical analysis. Technical analysis is technical analysis. So far, you can predict the future price of Bitcoin, or you can predict the future price of dollar using technical analysis, that is using charts or candlesticks. So you'll be able to do more. So just do your best and learn this particular skill. So welcome everybody. Welcome, welcome. Salim. Salim Ibrahim, long time, my friend. How are you? Salim Ibrahim, long time. How are you, my friend from Bangladesh? Very good friend from Bangladesh. Salim, thank you for joining my live video today. And I see my sister right here, Ibubechi. Thank you for joining my live video right here. And for those watching me from and for those watching me from YouTube, I also thank you all for being here today. Thank you for being here tonight. It's gonna be an awesome section with you guys, and I'm going to start right now. So I'm just waiting for some people to join in, and the class will start. So we're gonna do a very quick tutorial today, which is on only focused on technical analysis. And for those of you who might be seeing me for the first time, this shirt that I'm wearing is called Mask EX. You can see that Mask EX. And what is Mask EX? So for example, you are hearing MaskEX for the first time. This is the logo for MaskEX, okay? So MaskEX is a crypto exchange, third generation crypto exchange that is focused on crypto. It's just like your broker that you use in trading forex, like SNES, or like your other exchanges like Binance, or like Crypto.com or KuCoin. So MaskEX is a third generation crypto exchange focused on spot trading, derivative trading, staking, virtual card, copy trading, and many more. So strategic trading, margin trading, all these things we have on MaskEX crypto exchange. So with MaskEX Crypto Exchange, there are a lot of things you can do. Using MaskEX Crypto Exchange, you can make money for yourself and you can trade in a well secured digital platform where you will have a guarantee for your money. You are not going to trade on exchange whereby tomorrow you're going to lose your money. So there is a link below the description of this video or the first comment of this video. Kindly click on the link and download MaskEX Exchange. When you download MaskEX Exchange and you find it very difficult to trade or you want to win $10 trading coupon, kindly message me on drop your comments. Kindly drop your comment from wherever you're watching, whether Facebook or you are watching from YouTube. Just drop your comment that you have downloaded the app, and I will reach out to you either for a trading bonus or for a tutorial on how to trade like a pro. So, guys, let's get started with what we are here for. Uh, so we are going to talk about. So in this, if you are seeing my screen, this is what we are going to talk about today. We are going to talk about chart today, which is FVG and or imbalance. FVG is a fair value gap, and it is a trading strategy for ICT trading strategy. Then this ICT trading strategy is being used to plot entries. It's like so well, let me start afresh. What is imbalance? Imbalance. If you are hearing imbalance. What is imbalance? Imbalance is liquidity. And what is liquidity? Liquidity is money. Okay. Now, imbalance is liquidity. What is liquidity? Liquidity is money. And what happens when money is in the market? What happens is it's either the money got sold off or the money is buying. So when the money is buying, the price will be pumping. And when the money is being released, the price will dump. So what FVG does is it dictates the area by which money is being pulled in the market. So if you see an bearish FVG, it means selling. So, and a bullish FVG or imbalance means an entry point for buying. So, this is what FVG means, and that's what we are going to deliberate on today's video. So, imbalance exactly is money. So, looking at this chart, there are many imbalances in this chart, but I'm going to focus on this one. Let's use previous ones to make our analysis today. So we will be looking for what? For imbalances. And using this imbalance, we are going to use this imbalance to spot out our entry. Then once what happens when you see an imbalance is that price will mitigate through the imbalance. Then is either it filled up the imbalance and got sold off, or is either it filled up the imbalance and buyers will step in from there. So this is exactly what imbalance does in the market. So guys, welcome. If you're joining me for the first time, please welcome. This is Bookers Masterclass, and what we do here is crypto trading and tutorials. Okay, guys. So here there is an imbalance here, and I am going to say. So first of all, we are talking about imbalance. Okay, and what we are talking about right now is how to use imbalance to spot an entry level. Okay, what is an entry level? Entry level is that place that is that particular level of price that you put either sell or buy. Okay, I hope everyone is understanding what I mean. Now, imbalance, what it does is that if first of all, before you determine whether you are going to short in this particular imbalance, or you are going to long a coin in this particular imbalance, two things are important. First thing, as I teach you in the previous lecture that I conducted here, is the first and the foremost thing you need to do is to spot in the structure of the market, to know the trend of the market, the trend or the structure. So first of all, make sure you spot in the trend in the market. And once you know the trend market, for example, now this particular what you are seeing in my chart right now is a bearish trend. So, and if I want to trade this particular thing, let's assume from here now. Uh, so let's assume from here has not happened. From here now down has not happened. Okay, so let's say we are still here, which is from here now. Let's say we are still here. So, and I met the price at this level. So I met the price at this level. Okay, I met the price of this coin at this level. Okay, so 1 minute. So, for example, I met the price at this particular level, okay? At this level. Now, I met the price at this level, and I want to trade this coin. So, I'm just going to teach you imbalance right now, okay? So, what is imbalance? Where is the imbalance? Now, note one thing, that imbalance is that price level, that price level where we got sold. Okay, so Note one thing that imbalance is so that fake value gap is a long candlestick, okay? It is a candlestick formation which is which indicated that there was a huge sell or there was a huge buy. So when you see a long candlestick that has a huge sell or a huge buy, that candlestick used to be big. You understand? And also an FVG represents an area where price has been delivered inefficiently and as a result of an imbalance or a gap that has been created, which at some point the market or the price will either revisit that same imbalance. So what happens is that price do revisit imbalance area. So for example now, this place now, this is an imbalance because price sold off, aggressive sold off. And what happens when this aggressive sold off happen? It means that the in this area, I want to be pointing what I'm teaching. It means that in this candlestick here, that when this sort of happened, this is money. There was a lot of money that was being that is there was a lot of this coin that was being sold, and that was why this candle is big. Remember that this particular candle and this particular candle are not the same thing. And remember one thing, that all these candles are money. The money that is moving around in this coin, that is what is representing in this candle. So each candle here represent 1 hour. Okay, so each candle here represent the amount of money that was used to buy this coin in 1 hour time frame. That is what? That is this candle. So if this candle now, if this particular candle, this one that is big, if what was if during this particular candle that this particular candle now, this small candle, when if $1,000 was used in buying this coin when this candle formation was made, now note that this particular long candlestick, that $10,000 will be used to sell this coin, and that was why a long formation of this candle was made. Now, this is where we find our what? Fair value gap or our imbalances. And what happens when we spot in our imbalances? Price will definitely come back to mitigate that imbalance, because what happens is that if we are in bearish mode, price will still come back to that imbalance to fill it up, because it is money, and that is where the banks and the wallets are looking forward to start there and push their money, or to reach that level and sell off again. Now what happens is this: first of all, that we need to identify the trend, and once we identify the trend, we now know which particular fair value gap that we should look for. Now I have identified this trend, that this trend is bearish. So now I identify this trend that is bearish trend. So the next thing I do is to spot in what? Now I have find this coin around here. Remember, I have not find this coin when this candle confirmation was found. I found this coin when all this one happened. So what I want to do is I want to I want to place my entry and wait for my price to hit so that I make money. So what I do is, this is a fair value, this is an imbalance here. So how to spot in your imbalance here? So this is an imbalance here. Okay. So how do you spot in your imbalances here? So something like this. So it is either you put it at the week. Some people put it at this week. That is the first, the last candle before the long candle, the week, and then the following candle week. This is this one. The following candle week, which is the green one. Or you put it at the bottom. So this particular thing, this is an imbalance, okay? So this place at the imbalance. Then what happened? Price do come back here. So when this sell off happen, price do come back here to touch this place. Now remember that if you look, if you do it clearly, you can see that price didn't mitigate our entry before selling off again. So but sometimes if you want to place it, you can also place it at the closing area of this last green candle after the imbalance candle. So this area and this area, this is the imbalance, and this is where price do come back to fill up and continue the sell. Okay, and continue the sell. So the same thing happens when we see what I call it. See see the kind of sale that happen. All these things are imbalances. Okay, these things are imbalances, and price do come back to fill it up before making another sell. So another thing you need to know also is what is called order block. So sometimes you make sure that your order block is at your imbalance. For example, this is an order block. The last sell candle that took out liquidity is an order block. So this is an order block. What happened here is this is an order block, and there is little gap here, though this is not a fair and a good imbalance, but there is little. And you can see that if we are to trade this thing here, we will enter our entry here, just put a small stop loss here, put in our take profit at the top, and you sell off and you make some money. So that is it. And another imbalance right here, see, another imbalance right here, which is this and this. So if I am to draw this here, uh and this here, okay, this here and this here, this particular level is an imbalance. Okay, so this particular level is an imbalance. Now you can come here, price do come back to mitigate here in order to sell off. So price come back here, touch here, and then do a sell off. So if you are shorting from here, you put your entry here, you put your stop loss above, and you can see that you did made a lot of small money. So you can see how much you make from here. So these are how it goes directly. So all you need to do is, first of all, you spot in, like now. Uh, Let me show you one more thing that is liable to happen. For anybody who is watching me from wherever you're watching me from, I welcome you to my live tutorial video. And my name is Bookcast, and you're currently watching Bookcast Masterclass. Is either you are watching NS Bookcast on Facebook, or you are watching Bookcast Masterclass on YouTube. And all I do is crypto trading and tutorials. So today's topic, we are discussing about imbalance and FVG. And FVG means fair value gap, and imbalance means an inefficient area where mm, where a coin or a dollar was sold off, creating a large candle. So when those areas are being created, when those candles are being created, there is an area where we call an imbalance, and that's where we also refer it as a fair value gap. And what happens is that when price needs to come back and revisit that imbalance and balance it. And once price balance that imbalance, you get either you sell from there or you buy from there. And that's what we are discussing in my today's video. So if you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you to my tutorial. So another thing that is liable to happen in this coin is this. See that now this is an imbalance. Okay, this area is an imbalance. Okay, this area. So as I'm looking at this coin here, two things is likely to happen. So another thing that you need to think about when plotting an imbalance is that when you want to set your entry, make sure that you take 50% of this entry. So you can just use Fenerbahce. Yes, you can just use this, and you tap from here, and you tap from here and here. So there's something you can use to determine 50% of this imbalance here. So once you determine the 50%, it's likely to happen that this particular coin right here, which is called SMR, might sell off again from this level. This level. Then once it happens, you wait for the next imbalance here. Don't take too much profit here. Here. So, but when you do this, is when you have find out that the price that when you have when you might have find out that the trend of this particular coin is bearish. So, if the trend of this particular coin is bearish, you now plot like this, that okay, this thing is going to sell to this level and sell off again. And once that happens, you make your money and move out of the market. So if you look inside here, there are many fair value gaps, and what happens is that price needs to mitigate and rebalance that gap. And once that gap is filled up, it's either you got sell from there or you got buy from there. One thing you need to know, that imbalances are liquidity, and liquidity is money. And wherever there is money, two things happen: is either you buy something or you sell something. Okay. So, how are you guys doing? I think I have talked a lot. So, if you're watching me, how are you guys doing, and where are you watching me from? Kindly drop in the comment section where you are watching me from, and tell me in the comment section whether you learned something tonight or you didn't learn anything tonight. So share your views in the comment section and tell me whether you learned something tonight or I'm just talking to myself right here. Let me know the next thing to do. So share the video, guys. If you're watching me for the first time from Facebook or you're watching me live from YouTube. So if this is your first time seeing me is on Facebook, kindly click on the follow button and follow this page. And if this is your first time seeing me on YouTube, kindly do me a favor and click on the subscribe button and follow my page. All we do right here is crypto trading. I'm bringing you any update that are liable to make you more money. That's what we do here in this channel. So please do well and support me from however you can, and it keep getting better from there. Okay, guys. So we are going to call it a day, and before I closed up this live video tonight, uh, before I closed up this live video tonight, okay, I think okay, it's 30 minutes already. So before I close up this live video tonight, I'm gonna say something that is happening right now, and it will be a great opportunity for you to make money from what is happening right now. So there is a good opportunity for you to increase your earning if you are a crypto trader. And who brought that opportunity is Mask EX. So Mask EX, which is what I'm wearing, you can see my shirt. This is Mask EX, okay? So this is Mask EX, okay? Now Mask EX is a crypto exchange where you trade and make money. And right here, right now, they are doing a promotion that is focused on. They are doing a promotion that is focused on P2P trading, whereby you buy USDT using their platform, and you get a reward of $15. So, and that reward of $15 is called a trading coupon, perpetual trading coupon. That perpetual trading coupon, you can use it to trade derivative trading, which is BTC longing and shorting. So, guys, if you are looking for a way to get your capital, if you are looking for a place to get capital, if you don't have capital in trading, I recommend using MaskX P2P as an opportunity to get one. And if you are also looking for a perfect exchange to trade on, a secured exchange to trade on, the most reliable exchange to trade on, I refer you to use MaskX. The link is in the description of this particular video. So kindly click on the link and join. And join right now. Kindly click on the link and download MaskX app. Okay. I also leave my Twitter handle in the link of this particular video. Kindly follow me on Twitter. I post updates about what's going on and what's going on in the crypto space. I also post in my Twitter handle. Follow me, and you will get it. Keep getting better from there. So, guys, I thank you all, and I hope you learned something. If you are joining me for the first time, if I close this video, kindly go and watch what we have done today. We talk about FVG and imbalance and how to trade them. How do you trade FVG and imbalance? It's actually an entry. I can call it an entry indicator. It is not an indicator which is mathematically built, but it's a technical indicator for ICT traders. So it is an indicator that gives you an entry trigger. It's an entry trigger indicator. So and it is a large candle that determine that there was a sell off or a lot of buy at that particular time. And that is always when an FVG and imbalance candles and are being formed. And what happens is that when you see an imbalance candle, price of that coin will always come and rebalance that imbalance. And when that happens, you get your entry from there. And if you get your entry from there, you sell from there and make money in the market. That's how it is, and that's how crypto trading is. So if you want to make $15 free, if you want to be getting $15 free, how to spot an FVG, I've showed you in the video. So it is let me show you again. So how do you spot an FVG? I said something here that an FVG is a fake value gap. Okay, it is a gap that indicate that there was a sell off in this particular region, or that there was a lot of buy in this particular region. Like I told you here, remember I did something here just right now. I say that this is a fair value gap. And if you are watching this video from time, you remember that I placed entry here in this candle. You can see I placed entry here, and you can see that it has mitigated and now running a profit if I took the trade. So from here now, this candle here is a long candle that indicated that there was a lot of money that was being pulled in the market here. Okay, this candle now, that was what is showing you. So the gap right here, the gap between the last candle before the big candle and the first candle after the big candle is the fair value gap or the imbalance, and price will always come back to touch this val gap in order to sell if that trend is on a bearish trend, or if that trend is on a bullish trend. Then you find the fair value gaps along a support level or along an order block for you to get your entry there and long. So I hope you that asked the question are clear. So the fair value gap is all these candles, big candles, big candles. But now you have to determine the ones that work. First of all, the first thing foremost is for you to know the particular trend that the coin is traded on. That is the first thing foremost. And one thing again is placing your order block. Always make sure that your order block are being placed where there is an FVG or an imbalance, that you are taking that entry from there. For example, let me use this as an example for those joining me new. This candle is a fair value gap from here. You can see here now. Mm, so this is a clear uh this is a clear order block. Which what is order block? The last red candle that took out liquidity. This is the last red candle before the buy, and this last red candle is on imbalance, and then price came here, touch here, and then buy off. He touched here and buyers came in, and there was a pump. For example, if you took this trade right here, put your stop loss here, and you see, this is money. So just know that order block is the last sell candle before the buys, where there was a BOS, that is a break of structure. I don't want to go deep inside all these things, but just know that the fair value gap is that gap level where price fill in and get sold off. Okay. So, and also while placing your order blocks, make sure that you are placing your order block at that, maybe for example now, this example here. So this candle now is a long candle, and this candle, there was an imbalance, not that high, but there was a little bit from here. You can see from here to here. Okay, from here to here is an in is a is an FVG. Okay, from here to here, and you can see that price mitigated this level before buying off. So, and then again, that note that this is also an order block. The last sell candle, that the last sell candle before the buys. This was the last sell candle before the buys. You can see that the order block was valid order block because there is a gap here. There is a gap here. So this price came here and filled this gap before the buy. Okay, guys. I hope your answer question are clear now. So I hope you all can hear me. Tomorrow is Monday. Try and make money from using Maskers P2P. Maskers P2P every Monday and Friday. Buy 15 US, buy any USDT or sell any USDT on Maskers P2P, and you get rewarded of 15 USDT for free. Okay? So please make sure you make money tomorrow. Thank you all for being here tonight, and I am going to say goodbye. We don't have many people that joined us, so we don't need to waste a lot of time. Thank you all for being here. I really appreciate your time, and we will keep doing this again and again. We are back right now, and we are bigger and better. We'll keep coming live right here, giving tutorials on what we know. And if you know more than what we know, if what I give you is not enough, you can also do more research to learn more. Okay? Thank you, and see you guys in the next one.